On May 5th, 2020, a late-night police chase across Sparks, Nevada ended in gunfire near Darby Dam after Joseph Patrick Williams led officers on a 40-minute pursuit. It started around 12:20 a.m. at a convenience store on Victorian Avenue, where Williams, behind the wheel of a lifted Chevrolet truck, fled after a reported theft and vandalism.
He's yielding at the red light. Now we're going eastbound Glendale from 21st. No traffic.
These are 10, going very slow.
Still going about 8 miles an hour eastbound on Glendale, coming up to Baldini's. I think his truck's out of commission.
In the area of Glendale and Rock. Yeah, I think his truck's dead.
He sped east through the Sparks industrial area and got briefly boxed in on Dermody Way, but rammed through a fence to escape.
Copy 35 miles per hour on Dermody.
He's going down towards a dead end.
Copy.
We're at a dead end now.
Copy, dead end on Dermody.
Get your fucking hands up! Get out of the vehicle now! Step out of the vehicle! Step out! Step out! Let me see your fucking hands! Now! Let me see your hands!
Copy, command.
Open the door and step out! Get out of the truck! No, get the fuck out of
Get
here!
out! He's refusing to get out.
Get out of the
Copy,
truck,
refusing to
man!
comply with commands.
Get out of the truck! Alright, well, we can talk out here as soon as you listen to my commands, man.
Still refusing to get out of the truck. Yep.
Hey, man, you know I can't do that, man. Come on, you can step out for me and we can talk about it. Come on, man, step out for me, man.
Hey, brother, is your name Joseph? Alright, Joe. Hey, man, I don't know. Hey, listen, man, I don't know what happened. I just got here, okay? I heard you took off from us. But here's the deal, man. We can't go up to the car. You need to come out to us, okay? Joseph, I need you to...
I don't know. What are you doing now? Go straight, Chuck?
Police tried a pit maneuver, but Williams got away again, jumping onto I-80 eastbound at Vista Boulevard.
Heading now, don't let him go the wrong way. Stop the pursuit now.
Looks like he's going back on the eastbound side.
Copy, continuing eastbound.
Nevada Highway Patrol used spike strips twice. Even with blown tires, he kept going, his truck throwing sparks as it dragged along the highway.
Alright, his vehicle's sparking now. If we can, let's get a Tahoe up here in case we need to terminate this thing.
I'm right behind you with the diesel truck. Sparks, let's start rolling fire. This way. We're on line.
Near Darby Dam, officers hit him with another pit. The truck spun, slammed into a patrol car, and got stuck. That's when officers opened fire, hitting Williams while he was still inside. He eventually got out and was taken into custody, then transported to Renown Regional Medical Center.
Oh, you got a bit?
Oh, it's right here. Oh, shit.
Williams was charged with multiple felonies, including eluding, assault with a deadly weapon, and being an ex-felon in possession of a firearm. Prosecutors later ruled that the shooting was legally justified. He was sentenced to 4 to 10 years in prison. On the late morning of November 2nd, 2024, Arkansas State Police clocked a black Cadillac going 109 miles per hour on I-40 near White Oak. The car had dealer plates and didn't stop. It kept going, weaving through traffic and passing on the shoulder as it merged onto I-430 south.
Alright, he's gonna try to go the wrong way in the beginning. It's a white male driver. I tried the TV, I missed it. We're going back northbound on 430.
Northbound on 430. You get on the camera.
He's probably gonna try to take a shot, but that's what he tried to do.
Troopers radioed ahead as the Cadillac picked up speed, hitting over 135 miles per hour and ignoring every bit of traffic around it. Dashcam footage showed the car ripping down the shoulder, cutting lanes near Shackleford Road.
Get on the fucking ground! Get on the fucking ground! Stupid ass.
God damn it. I didn't even fucking, yeah, damn it. I was just going fucking 105! Oh,
shut the fuck up.
God damn it! What is wrong with me? What is wrong with me?
Get up.
What is wrong with me? God damn it! God damn it! Fuck! What is wrong with me? God.
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm 1015, one male, start at 1011. No, shut up.
Near exit 5 at University Avenue, he lost control, smashed into the curb and a few traffic signs and finally came to a stop. He jumped out of the wreck, visibly angry, and was arrested on the spot. According to the arrest report and video, Bullock said he ran because he didn't want a ticket and was pissed off at that dodge.
I'm so scared.
Stupid.
His car was totaled and towed. After getting checked out at Baptist Medical Center, Bullock was booked into the Pulaski County Detention Center. He was charged with felony fleeing, reckless driving, criminal mischief, speeding over 15 miles per hour above the limit, and crossing a controlled access median. On the morning of November 16, 2024, Arkansas State Police tried to stop a blue Scion TC near North Little Rock, but the driver hit the gas and took off. Ignoring lights and sirens, he tore through heavy traffic, weaving across lanes and flying down the shoulder, while troopers stayed close behind. Dashcam video shows the Scion squeezing between cars and blasting through intersections. The chase left the main roads and cut into residential neighborhoods, where the driver kept speeding, blowing past stop signs and showing zero regard for anyone's safety. As it came to an end, troopers pulled off a precise pit maneuver, spinning the Scion off the road and stopping it cold. The driver was taken into custody without a fight.
Put your fucking hands up!
Want to go plane? Yeah, I don't know.
Broke that time. Open the door! Get the fuck out! Get the fuck out! They crawl out!
He now faces a list of charges for the reckless chase. Dashcam footage of the pursuit quickly made the rounds online, showing how fast things escalated and how the troopers kept it under control.
Wasn't nothing wrong with this. Nothing at all. I ain't got no drugs. I got weed in my front seat now.
On the evening of May 26, 2025, Arkansas State Police Sergeant Randall Schwab clocked a white Hyundai Santa Fe flying northbound on I-49 at 101 mph, well over the 70 miles per hour limit, near exit 76 in Springdale. When he hit his lights, the driver, later identified as Brent Wright, refused to stop and took the exit onto Wagon Wheel Road, kicking off a high-speed chase through the city.
We're still eastbound on Wagon Wheel, Matthew.
Okay, you want me to 19?
Well, he turned his flashers on, but it's odd because, I mean, we're going a ways down.
Wright tore through neighborhoods, blowing past other cars, running lights, and swerving into oncoming traffic at nearly 90 miles per hour. Schwab stayed close, calling updates into dispatch as the SUV sped through 40th Street and toward Bel Air Road.
What's the address on the church?
I don't know. 6-1 will be southbound. 1037, Matthew. 1037 southbound. Traffic speeds.
Near Bel Air, Schwab pulled off a clean pit maneuver, spinning the Hyundai to a stop. Wright bailed out of the SUV and tried to run, but troopers caught him just a few yards away.
Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Stop moving! Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Hands! Stay right there! Stay right there! Stay right there! On the ground! On the ground! Taser! I'm gonna tase you! Stop moving! Stop! Hands behind your back! Now! Get them behind your back! Now!
On the morning of June 15th, 2025, Arkansas State Police joined Jacksonville officers in a fast-paced chase that spilled onto I-40 westbound near North Little Rock. It started when Jacksonville police tried to stop a suspect heading south on I-57. As the pursuit neared McCain Boulevard, the car merged onto I-40 West and ASP took the lead just past mile marker 153. Dashcam footage shows the suspect weaving through traffic at high speed before troopers closed in.
Out on 2030, 1037. TV on? Yep. Alright. It's attempting a TV on. TV on.
There you go. Now break.
TV out, TV out, TV out.
Perfect. About 3. Just get on the back side, right? You're cutting yourself hard. There you go. We're going to get out of the line of fire.
At 11:27 a.m., ASP units performed a clean pit maneuver, spinning the car to a stop right on the interstate. Officers from both agencies moved in fast and pulled the driver, identified in the video as Liliana Zuniga Rocha, into custody without any resistance. No injuries were reported and there was no damage to police vehicles. The suspect's car was towed and Jacksonville police took over the case,